Alright, so we're back out here with this 66 F100, and we are going to try to do some window seals and a heater core on it. But I'm in a bit of a rush, so it might be an incomplete video. But first thing we're going to do is knock out this old heater core right here. But it looks like somebody robbed us of a hose, so it won't get hooked up, but it'll be in there. And then I don't think I'll make it to this, but we've got to replace this post in here. And we've got to redo all these door seals, because you can see they're gone. So, here's one of them. First things first is that heater core right there. I'll try to get it out and show y'all. It shouldn't take me but a minute. So, it was as easy as 1, 2, 3. 3 bolts. Got to take them little babies out right there. And pop her off and see what the damage is. Alright, so we got this crusty, dusty, antique technology out. This thing looks like it's been sitting in a river since the dinosaurs were roaming. Now we got this pretty aluminum one that hopefully won't rot away. Let's hope. So we're gonna stick it in there. Done got all the old foam and seals out. We'll slap it back in, throw it in, and leave her alone. Go to the windows. All right. So now I'm gonna attempt to do this seal. I think these seals are in the bag, and I have no idea how I'm gonna do these. So I guess we'll see. Right now I'm just getting in here. This could be totally wrong, but I'm kind of learning with y'all on this one. Haven't done this in ever. I'm just popping her. Pop, lock, and drop it. See? Is it right? Probably not. Is it working? Kinda. So I'm gonna keep doing that until I can get her loose. Alright, so I might have goofed on that one. Looks like this one already has new clips in it. So we're gonna have to dig them out. Shouldn't take too long. I don't have these, I don't believe so. But I do have these, and I have these. I just don't know how to get them out. Alright. Looks like we got a method here. Take my old snips right here. Grab on one of them ears and just whoop. Easy as can be. We're gonna act like we don't see that one's bent. Alright, so got this one in, but this tab here came off when I was putting it in. So I also figured out that I'm gonna have to drop the window to do the other one. There's no way I'm gonna do it without dropping that window right there. These, I know I've got to drop the window and take out, I think, these 2 screws. This will lift out. Same thing for the other side, but I'm gonna have to do a repair on the window. Heater core looks nice and pretty in there. Let's take a peek. Yep, nice and pretty. Don't know how I'm going to get this side on, but I'll figure it out. The one felt window I accomplished. Looks good. Feels nice. Maybe it'll stop it from rattling around. Who knows, probably not. But that's all I've got for now. I've got the woman has called. I've got to go in, so I'm going to see if I got enough video. If I don't, then I'll just wait till I get back.